Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your Netflix profile to a kid's profile. So if you want to make a Netflix kid friendly, you can change your profile into a kids friendly one, or you can also create a new one by following the steps. First, let's just launch the app, and in here you'll see this page where you choose the profile that you want to open. Okay, so let's change this profile into a kid's profile. To do is just tap on manage profiles and then choose the profile that you want to change. Next, you can just scroll down until you see this one options manage profile. Click on that. Set on the adjust parental controls and choose the profile that you want, and here you need to enter your account password before you set it up. Tap on continue. So what you need to change the Netflix profile into a kids friendly one. You can just check this one kids profile so that it only displays the Netflix kids experience with titles just for kids, and you can see that the maturity ratings will automatically change. Now you can just go down, tap on save, and click on back to Netflix. And now you can see that the profile has been labeled as kids profile. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.